Hi guys, if you are still buying data, I want you to stop it. Stop buying data, MTN data, Glo data, or any network at all. Stop it, because today I am going to show you how I made my free Wi-Fi that I am using at my home. Me and my neighbors, we are no more paying data, subscribing data. No, we are using completely free Wi-Fi, and I made it myself. So today I'm going to show you guys how it is made, and I'm going to bring it to the screen so that if you are able to make it, you can make it yourself and be enjoying it at home and stop buying data. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. Here is it. As you can see, this is the free Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is the antenna and this is the board. This antenna, you have to keep it outside so that it will be collecting what we call magnetic force from sky. So this one will be for outside, tapping magnetic, what did I call, magnetic files from the skies that will be transmitting the data for you to be using in your Wi-Fi. So this is it. This one I said is what is the antenna. This one will be outside connecting to the sun. This one I will giving you service. This one is for service. And this one is the switch to on it off and on it on. As you can see it on and off. You turn it off, you turn it on, turn it off, you turn it on. And this is the panel. And this is mod. This is mod. You know, mod is like fridge. It will be cooling. You cannot be fanning it. You cannot be using fan and be fanning it or put it inside AC. You understand? That's why I think that I need something that will be something like freezing. You understand? That's why I have to come up with idea of using mod. If you grew up in village, you will know that mod pot where they use drink water is too chilled, and that's why I have to use it here. So it will be cooling the system, then you turn it on and off. Here is the battery. As you can see, battery is connected to it. As you can see, this is the battery. You have to charge the battery, you have to keep the battery somewhere. Then this one is the antenna. This antenna will go outside facing the sun, attracting magnetic force from the sun, providing the network to this free Wi-Fi. And this is the switch to turn it on and off. And this is the panel. This is the mod. So in everything that we have here now, that's why I'm no more buying data. My neighbors were like, you are not even subscribing. I've not seen you bought data before, this and that. I said no. So I'm now giving them free data, free Wi-Fi. I just on it and they will connect and be using. I'm just doing it for the sake of God, because we rise by lifting others. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys tutorial on how you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you. Subscribe, like and share. I love you.